Now, I've never smelled a freezer burnt dilly bar because I eat my dilly bars on time, but if I ever had to smell a freezer burnt dilly bar, I think this is what this would smell like. Hi friends, welcome back to another super great IPSY unbagging for the month of January. Even though the month is halfway over, I got my bag yesterday actually. I'm kind of assuming it's a late arrival because I ordered several add-ons too, I think. I don't really know. It was a really long time when I last ordered them. So let's get into it. Okay, it's always a good sign when you can see stuff outside of the bag. So outside the bag we have Ofra highlighter in Rodeo Drive. Kind of fun packaging. Oh! Oh no! That's horrible. How does that even happen? Ugh. Okay, well, that's a bust. Let's just put that down because it's now all over me. Great. Good thing I'm wearing white. Okay, on to the next, hopefully better product. We have, in the bottom, a very sparkly brush from SLM Miss Glam. It's kind of got like a rainbowy unicorn pink blue tip, and then it's like a see-through kind of silver glitter. Kind of looks like it could be an eye brush. Kind of looks like you could maybe use it for blending. You could maybe even use it for highlighter or bronzer, but not the chunky one I just got. Okay, into the bag itself. Okay, bag is empty. We're now into the IPSY bag. It's kind of like a sailor theme, but also kind of reminds me of like boys' sheets for some reason. The gold is nice. Okay, lots of little things in there. I can see. So this, it's a Glam Glow Starter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer in Nude Glow. So I'll try that on for you when I'm done with all this. We've got, oh man, that is real pink. Laga in Prickly Pear. I've had the Prickly Pear lemonade from Taco John's that I quite enjoy. So if the color isn't so pink, I would probably enjoy it. I have the Sandskin Australian Clay Mask. It says always patch test before use. If you have sensitive skin, you might want to avoid massaging on your skin and leave it on your skin for 5 minutes instead. Not tested on animals. Cool. Pink clay. Does that mean it's pink inside? Or just that it's prettyish brown? I'll try that for you later tonight. And then we've got a card. And then we've got a brush. And that's where I draw the line. Ico London Eyeliner. And this is a Luxie Contour. This is a Luxie Contour brush. You know, contouring your cheeks or a little highlighter if your highlighter's not broken into pieces. And that's it. So this is what the highlighter is supposed to look like. And this is what I have. Yay. It smells nice. Too bad it's everywhere. Probably the first time I've ever had hit pan on a highlighter. I'll have to contact them to get a new one. You can't even attempt to repan it because it's literally half all on me and half on the floor, and it's just a crumpled mess. So that's really sad because I redeemed it as a full-size product, so I didn't pay $3. I think I paid like $10 for it. And it's quite broke. Okay, so to start off this try-on, we are going to do the Glam Glow Glow Starter Illuminating Moisturizer. It says, apply evenly to face, wear alone or layer with your favorite foundation. So we'll see if you can apply this with your fingers. Oh no, it's not opening. Last time I had this problem, I got foundation in my mouth. Okay. Ooh, it doesn't even have a safety cap. Oh, it smells good. Like cupcakes. I don't expect this to do much for my redness because I have a ridiculous amount of redness, but Certainly smells good. It's like peaches and cream. That's what it smells like. Like a chapstick I wore in middle school. That's what it would remind me of. So if you're me, you definitely can't wear this. Oh my god, this eyebrow. If you're me, you definitely can't wear this in place of a foundation if you have lots of redness. So I don't see much of a glow, but I would wear it just for the smell factor. I mean, it smells far nicer than most moisturizers I've ever tried. This makes me really nervous because it's so pink. Because I have such a red face, things that are pink are not something I wear. Oh boy, I'm nervous. Oh wow, it's not that bad. It smells nice too. Honestly, that's really nice actually. I didn't think I was gonna like that. Okay, now really the only thing I have left to show you is this eyeliner because I have 2 brushes and a clay mask that I will insert a video of later, and then a broken highlighter. Okay, how do I open this? I don't want to break this either. Ugh. Okay. Ooh, it's like a felt tip. That's good. So it says that's where I draw the line. I have already I have really hooded eyes, so I try to stay away. It's definitely really easy to draw with. I have so many eyeliners as is. I don't think I would go out and buy the full-size product just because I already have so many that are sample sizes that I've gotten from IPSY or like BoxyCharm. I would give this a 4, but I wouldn't say that I like the product because I don't really like Ico products and I don't want any more of them. This pleasantly surprised me. I'm honestly going to give it a 5. It has a really good taste. It didn't leave a huge pink sheen on my face. These brushes, like, you can always use more brushes. Brushes are always fantastic. And this one's beautiful. This was an add-on. And my highlighter, you know, was a giant bust. But I'm going to go try this later tonight and I'll check in with you and see how it works for me. Okay, so it's a couple hours later. I've tracked highlighter glitter all over the house. It's in my phone, it's in my bed, it's on the floor. The cats look glittery. Like, I don't know how this happened, but there's just glitter everywhere. And it's kind of a casualty of my life because I'm usually doing things that are sparkly and bedazzled and sequin, and so I'm used to having glitter all over. But I'm really not used to having glitter on my cats. And so even though my username is called the Sparkling Speducator because I love some sparkles in my life, I'm not a fan of glitter on my cats. But here we are. We are going to do the Sanded Sky Australian Pink Clay Mask. I hear that it stings a little. Oh, that's so funny weird. That's weird looking. I hear that it stings a little, so I'm not really looking forward to that. I've seen a couple reviews of this already done on YouTube, and the full size is like $40, so hoping this is something that'll work really nicely for me. Not really the biggest fan of the smell, and I'm putting this on pretty thick. It's really not drying very well. Unless it's a different formula, the ones I was looking at on YouTube. It's a little bit different. Definitely can only get one use out of it. Oh, it does sting. Not a fan of that. The stinging is supposed to go away in like 2 minutes time, but you definitely can feel the sting. So I'm just gonna put this entire tube worth of product on my face, and even if it's a little too much, oh well, because I'm not gonna have enough to do a full face anymore anyways. So we're just gonna go with this. Kind of reminds me of like a kid playing in the mud. It's like fancy mud though, like not Aztec's healing clay kind of mud, like that is just straight up mud. But this is like, oh, I played in some mud and then I jumped into some perfume and so now I smell good, but I'm still wearing mud. Yeah, so I'm like basically out. If I had a scissors nearby, I would cut it and get the rest of the product out, but we're just gonna squeeze really hard and hope this just dries. It's not a bad sting, it's just like an uncomfortable sting. But if you've done lots of mud masks and face masks before, it's just a normal one. But it's nowhere near the amount of pain of a peel-on mask that is stuck in your eyebrows, because that has happened to me before. And that, my friends, is quite... Ooh. Okay, I guess we're done. Where'd it go? Now I've got mud on the carpet and I've got glitter on the carpet. Seems to be a trend. Okay, so I'm gonna go see how long this takes to dry. Go to the bright fluorescent lights of my bathroom. You can kind of see it a little bit better. It kind of reminds me of what a freezer burnt dilly bar would smell like. Now, I've never smelled a freezer burnt dilly bar because I eat my dilly bars on time, but if I ever had to smell a freezer burnt dilly bar, I think this is what this would smell like. Okay, it's been 5 minutes and I'm ready to wash this off. You can see it dried pretty nicely. It's very pinky brown, but not like a chartreuse kind of pink. So I'm just gonna use a washcloth and wash this off. It's hard to say how I feel about this. You really can't notice that much of a difference. I don't know if I would spend $40 on this exfoliating mask. I really don't notice much of tightening in my pores, and my skin is fairly soft, but I can get that same kind of thing with a $10 drugstore product. So unfortunately, this isn't something that I would buy as a full-size product, but there were several things in my IPSY bag that I really enjoyed, like that Prickly Pear lip gloss. But unfortunately, my highlighter, which I was really looking forward to because it's like a $35 highlighter that I got for $13, was broke. So that's sad. But thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell if you want to see all my cool videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.